Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Harshim and I wish you a very happy Mother's Day to all of you. And so it's such a beautiful experience to be a mother. So today in my video, Sehaj will be accompanying me and we will be sharing with you the recipe of the cake, and it is very simple. You can easily make it at home in just no time. You just require 40 minutes or so, and you don't require a microwave or an oven or something. We're just going to make it on the gas. So Sehaj will be sharing with you the ingredients. Okay, Sehaj. So let's begin. Let's have a look at the ingredients of the cake.
Okay. There is a flour.
Okay.
And sugar.
So how much of flour do we require? How much of maida do we require?
One
bowl of maida.
1 bowl of sugar.
Sugar.
1 bowl of
Half a bowl of butter.
half a bowl of butter.
A pinch of baking soda.
and baking half spoon of baking powder. And 1 egg. And vanilla essence.
Okay, so let's get started. So now, as Sehaj has told us about the ingredients, and now we are going to mix the ingredients. So we are going to take, as she has already told you, that we are going to take 1 katori of maida. Please pour it in the, and mind you one thing, I am taking this chopper because at the moment my grinder or mixer, whatever you call it, it is not working perfectly fine, and it is actually not working. It is damaged, and because of the lockdown I can't get it repaired. So I'm using this. It works equally fine. So if you're having a chopper at the home, even you can do the whisking thing with your hand. Even that works perfectly fine. So let's get started. So we are putting maida in this first. Very nice. Now Sehaj, please mix that sugar. We are taking equal quantity of maida and sugar has to be yes, done. Nice. Now put the butter. We are taking half the amount of butter, the amount of thing like the maida and sugar in equal quantities, and half the amount of butter. And then we're going to put a this I'm going to put this. Okay, I'll just put it in the spoon and I'll give you a very minute quantity of like this, only this much of baking soda. Nice. To this we're going to add a half a spoon of almost baking powder. Okay, add it.
And now we are adding egg.
Which I'll add because I'm going to directly add. So it's not a cracker that is going to burst.
And now we are adding vanilla essence.
You're out of the camera now. So just a few drops of vanilla essence, like 3 to 4 drops will do.
5 or 4.
Okay, 5 or 4 drops of vanilla essence. Okay, just give me this. We will directly put it in the cap. We will directly put it in the cap, then I'll give you. Sehaj को बहुत शौक है baking करने का, but there are very few things which Sehaj enjoys doing, and this is like one of the things that she really enjoys doing. Thank you so much. So now we're going to get this contents mixed. Okay, and one thing very important, as I told you in the starting of the video, that we are not going to use the micro or the oven because we are going to make this cake in कढ़ाई. और जब भी आप कढ़ाई में बनाते हैं, उसमें जो मैं करती हूँ एग्जैक्टली मैं वो आपको वो बता रही हूँ. तो हम क्या करने वाले हैं, हम सॉल्ट की एक लेयर बनाने वाले हैं नीचे उसके, और उसको मैंने सिम पे ऑलरेडी रख दिया है और कढ़ाई को कवर कर दिया है. जैसे हम अवन को प्री हीट करते हैं, इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग दैट आई एम डूइंग राइट नाउ. वो जब मैं मिक्सिंग करती हूँ उससे साथ साथ मैं वो चीज़ ऑलरेडी गैस पे रख चुकी हूँ. अब इन कंटेंट्स को मैं थॉरली मिक्स कर दूँगी.
I am greasing the container like fully. And we have to cover all the sides with oil. And I am doing greasing with all the container, and we have to put all the sides in oil. You have to put oil with all the sides.
Now, as Sehaj has already explained you that she has greased the container in which we're going to put the contents of the cake now. So it's already mixed. So Sehaj, hold it in the center. Yes, now started. We're going to add the very nice. This is like very beautiful.
Like a cream.
Like a cream, yes. It's very creamy. The consistency has to be creamy, not very liquid and not solid. It has to be creamy. That should be the consistency of the.
I want 1 spoon.
You want 1 spoon? I'll just get it for you.
So here is our cream with a light yellow. So let's get started. Yeah, I got 1 spoon over here.
Soon Sehaj is planning to start her own YouTube channel, so you please subscribe her channel also when she starts one, because she is very excited to do such things. And in fact, today's video was in fact planned by her. She wanted to do something together in this video, and we planned that what we can do. So cake is usually the thing we bake together whenever we bake it. Let me do it. Thank you. So we have poured all the contents of the cake in this baking vessel, and now I will be keeping this baking vessel inside the kadahi. Let me show you. Now you can see in this kadahi I have poured a layer of salt underneath, और ये वही salt है जो मैं time and again same salt use कर लेती हूँ बार बार. Then I keep it back, and over this you have to keep a plate having holes in this, somewhat like the one I have just kept. You can see. Okay, and over this now I'm going to place my vessel. This over this now. Here it is, and now we are going to cover it with the lid, and we are going to keep it on full flame for like 40 minutes. Like for full flame for 9 minutes, and after that on sim for the rest of the time. So this is the final result, and if you try the recipe, do tell me in the comments how you like this recipe. Till we meet next, stay smiling, stay shining, and very importantly, stay at home and be safe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.